Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2017 Ford Transit with the lift on the back. As you can see, the vehicle is in good shape. I'll point out any items as I come across them if I see any damage. There's a couple scrapes right here on the front bumper. Nothing too serious, but just a little dings and nicks in the plastic. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some scratches here around the door on the paint. Tires are in good shape. This one has the running boards on the driver's door here and then on the other side there as well. This is a medium roof, so it's got ample room inside. Does have the backup camera. So overall in good shape. And there's the running board on that side. There is a couple dings on the door here and then one there. That's a little larger. Overall, like I said, the vehicle's in good shape. So the way this works is you turn the vehicle on like I have it, and the vehicle needs to be in park with the parking brake on for the lift at the back to work. So that's what I have here. Parking brake is on and the vehicle is in park. And we'll make sure the car is unlocked. We'll go around to the back here. Pull on this door here first. And then the door opens that wide. With Transits, you can always open it more by releasing this. So you unlock, and then that releases off of there. So that way you can go further than 90 degrees. And then you have this little door stop on the outside that holds it. So you can go wider open if you need. Then we pull on this handle here to open up the other side. And then that switch activates because it knows when the door is open, that then we can have the lift on. And you know the lift is on because those lights are on. And then there's a little green indicator here. So then we take the remote wand here, and then you have two sections on the lift. And I'll show you why that's important in a minute. But we want to fold first to release the little arm mechanism there. And then we press and hold unfold, and that'll unfold the lift. And then it goes to the horizontal position. I've held that until it stops. And now I hold down for it to go down. And then this has the handrails on the side here. And then that little flap at the front and the back keeps the wheelchair from rolling if it were to have that scenario. Most power wheelchairs are going to be heavy enough, they're not going to roll. And then manual chairs, you set the brakes on. So then you have the person in the wheelchair roll on. And then as you press up, that lift flap needs to come up here for everything to work. You just have to be on flat ground. That was a little uneven right there. And then as you get to this position, I'm holding up and it's going to stop here. So instead of having one button that would then close this, I can then, on this, now that this lift is flat, roll onto the vehicle. So that's why there is two switches. So you have an up and down movement to get to this position, and then a fold and unfold when you need it there. So we have the retractable tie downs there. You have a lap and shoulder belt for this wheelchair position. Those tie into the floor anchors there. You have those there. You have a rear seat here. And then you have a bench seat of 3 and then the 2 up front. So 6 seats plus 2 wheelchair positions. So very nice setup here. You even have oxygen holder if you need it. It has the OEM Ford rear AC and heat controls for the rear there, because this is a window van, and it has the Ford interior passenger nice paneling. It's not a cargo van or anything like that. You have the OEM vents, lighting. So it's a really smart conversion in that it uses a lot of the Ford pieces, so it doesn't look like, you know, aftermarket conversion stuff inside. So very nice and clean inside. It's got the Ultra flooring, which is easier to clean and maintain. And then once the person is loaded, then you would fold this up. So that is the stored position when this is up. And if you watch that little anchor piece, that is the anti-sway. So the lift, because it's hydraulic, as you're driving around, doesn't come towards the door. That actually is that locking piece. So that's why whenever I unfold these lifts, I first fold it to get that anchor piece off to release. And then that way, when everything is closed up, it's going to be secure while you're driving. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this has been informative. Take care.